Cleaning your swimming pool by hand can be incredibly time-consuming. A robotic pool cleaner does the job for you, easily keeping your pool clean with very little work. We've done the research and found the best robotic pool cleaners for you. For more information on each product, check out the links in the description below. So let's start. The first on our list is the Dolphin Premiere. The Dolphin Premiere robotic pool cleaner is designed to make pool maintenance as hassle-free as possible. Ideal for in-ground pools up to 50 feet, it features a simple plug-and-play operation with a single button and is backed by a 3-year quality assurance. Its Clever Clean technology ensures thorough cleaning coverage using advanced algorithms that leave no area untouched. The Dolphin Premiere's anti-tangle swivel cable allows it to navigate around obstacles effortlessly, which means it can clean without interruptions. The cleaner is equipped with powerful dual scrubbing brushes that tackle tough dirt and debris on the pool floor, walls, and waterline, completing the cleaning process in just 3 hours. It offers multiple filter options, including bottom-load fine cartridge filters, ultra-fine cartridge filters, and an oversized fine filter bag to accommodate different types of debris and cleaning needs. For added convenience, the Dolphin Premiere features a weekly scheduler that can be set to run automatically, ensuring your pool is cleaned at regular intervals without any manual intervention. The full filter indicator is a practical feature that alerts you when it's time to clean out the filters, helping maintain the cleaner's efficiency. In conclusion, the Dolphin Premiere is a highly effective and easy-to-use option for keeping your pool clean. It combines advanced cleaning technology with practical features, making it a top recommendation for anyone in the market for a robotic pool cleaner. The second on our list is the Scuba S1. This robotic pool cleaner is engineered to deliver unparalleled cleaning performance. It is perfectly suited for in-ground pools, leveraging a tri-motor system that powerfully removes dirt from the pool's floor, walls, and waterline. Its dynamic rolling brush and unique caterpillar tread design not only ensure thorough cleaning, but also enhance the cleaner's mobility across various pool surfaces. One of the standout features of the Scuba S1 is its advanced WavePath Navigation 2 technology. This system enables the robot to intelligently navigate and cover the entire pool area efficiently, ensuring that no corner is left uncleaned. This technology, initially introduced in the award-winning Seagull Pro, has been optimized for the Scuba S1 to provide even better coverage. The versatility of the Scuba S1 is evident in its 4 cleaning modes, which cater to different needs: automatic cleaning, floor cleaning, wall cleaning, and periodic cleaning. This flexibility allows pool owners to customize the cleaning process based on their pool's specific conditions and their personal preferences. Moreover, the Scuba S1 features a periodic cleaning mode that minimizes the hassle of daily maintenance. It can automatically clean the pool floor every 48 hours for 45 minutes, up to 3 times on a single charge. This feature ensures that your pool remains clean with minimal effort on your part. With a superior battery life of 150 minutes and a quick recharge time of just 3 to 4 hours, the Scuba S1 is always ready for action, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a robust and efficient robotic pool cleaner. The third on our list is the Polaris F9550 Sport. The Polaris robotic pool cleaner, known as the 9550 Sport, brings best-in-class performance to the table with its 5 distinct cleaning modes. Compatible with in-ground pools up to 60 feet, this cleaner is a testament to Polaris's over 40 years of quality and innovation in pool cleaning technology. A standout feature of the F9550 is its 4WD system, which allows it to navigate any pool terrain effortlessly. It can climb steps and walls and even scrub the tile line with its solid blade scrubbing brush, ensuring comprehensive cleaning coverage. The Vortex vacuum technology enhances its ability to handle large debris, maintaining constant motion and preventing clogging for a thorough and efficient clean. The cleaner is also designed for convenience, featuring an easy lift system. With a touch of a button, the F9550 surfaces to a desired pool location and waits to be lifted out, making it easy to remove from the water. The motion-sensing remote control adds a layer of ease, allowing you to direct the cleaner to specific pool areas that may need extra attention. Additionally, the F9550 includes a 7-day programmable timer with customizable cleaning cycles, enabling pool owners to set their cleaning schedules according to their needs. The dirty canister indicator is a practical addition, notifying you when it's time to clean out the filter, which is easily done with a simple shake and spray of water. The Polaris F9550 Sport is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a robust, intelligent pool cleaning solution. Its advanced features and powerful performance make maintaining a clean and inviting pool easier than ever. The fourth on our list is the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus. Designed to effectively clean your pool by climbing walls and utilizing an active scrubbing system, this robotic pool cleaner is capable of handling any pool surface, ensuring that the entire pool up to the lower walls is covered. However, it should be noted that while it climbs walls, it does not reach the waterline, which may require manual cleaning for complete maintenance. This model is praised for its easy-to-use features, including a top-load filter basket that simplifies debris removal and maintenance, enhancing the overall swimming experience. The plug-and-play functionality of the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus is especially user-friendly. You simply plug it in, drop it into the pool, and turn it on to get a clean pool in just 2 hours. While the Nautilus CC Plus offers basic cleaning functionalities and does an adequate job cleaning the pool floor, it falls short in terms of comprehensive cleaning and advanced features. The unit is equipped with standard filters that handle medium-sized debris but leave finer particles behind. This limitation is noticeable compared to other models in the Dolphin line that include multiple filter options for more thorough cleaning. Moreover, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus lacks modern technological enhancements such as Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connectivity, which are common in newer models. Its simplicity extends to its programming options, offering only a basic timer without additional remote or automated controls. In conclusion, while the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus does provide basic pool cleaning functions and easy operation, it may not satisfy those looking for a more robust and technologically advanced pool cleaning solution. The last on our list is the Seagull Pro Lite. The Seagull Pro Lite is designed to streamline your pool maintenance, promising time and cost savings while delivering impressive cleaning results. Featuring a robust quad motor system and the advanced WavePath navigation technology, this pool cleaner ensures comprehensive coverage of your entire pool, including the walls and waterline. This model stands out for its ability to climb walls effortlessly thanks to its four-wheel drive system, which also enables it to scrub the waterline effectively. With 3 cleaning modes available, users can customize the cleaning process to focus on specific areas or types of debris. This flexibility makes it particularly effective at tackling the various challenges posed by different pool shapes and debris types. The Seagull Pro Lite is a strong cordless robotic pool cleaner that combines power with efficiency. Its quad motor system can filter 80 gallons of water per minute, capturing everything from leaves and dirt to pebbles and sticks. The cordless design not only eliminates the hassle of tangled cords, but also simplifies the setup process. Just drop it into the pool and let it do its work. Moreover, the top access filter basket enhances user convenience by eliminating the need to disassemble the cleaner to clean out debris. Simply rinse the basket with a hose and you're ready for the next use. With a 2-year warranty and reliable customer service, the Seagull Pro Lite offers a worry-free pool cleaning experience. In conclusion, this robotic pool cleaner is an excellent choice for pool owners looking for a high-performance, easy-to-use pool cleaning solution. Its advanced features and powerful cleaning capabilities make it a worthy investment for ensuring a clean, inviting pool with minimal effort. And that ends our list of the best robotic pool cleaners. We hope this guide helps you find the right one for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. Until next time, take care.